UXArmy card sorting is a powerful tool for understanding how users categorize information and organize content to meet their needs. Simply click the Create Test button and select the card sorting option. Fill out your details first and choose the corresponding activity you want to conduct. A closed card sort is a perfect choice if you already have a solid grasp of the categories and terminology that should be used by participants. Or open card sort, allowing participants to create their own categories, providing fillable insight into their mental models and thought processes. The hybrid card sorting approach allows flexibility to start presented with some categories, but can also create new categories. With our card sorting tool, you can easily create categories for your tester to sort their cards. And the best part? You can import your categories quickly, which are CSV, XLS, or XLSX files. With unclear category, the tester can place the cards that they are unsure of under the unclear category for easy sorting. Make it even simpler with category description. You can easily provide a clear description for each category. Make it easier for testers to understand their purpose. Plus, with shuffle categories, you can keep things fresh and unbiased by randomizing category sequences for each participant. After that, we can create cards. You can create manually or input the list of cards to be tested. Adding a card description for each one is simple. Just switch on the description and click on the information icon to add your details. To keep things unbiased, we can check on shuffle cards to change the sequence of cards for each tester. Plus, when we choose Sort All Cards, testers wouldn't be able to submit the test until they have sorted all the cards. And with the card position number, testers can see the order of each card they'd have placed in categories during the test. We even give you the option to answer for reasoning from testers, ensuring you receive valuable insight into their decision-making process. You may also want to customize welcome and thank you messages to the participants, or use the test screener to screen up potential participants who don't meet your selection criteria. Want to gather insights before or after your test? Utilize pre- and post-study surveys to collect valuable feedback from participants. Now on to the test result. A good place to start is the result metrics. The result metrics show what percentages of participants placed the card under each category. For example, 85% of people assigned to the card collection went to the stationery category. You can also see the card results by cards and by categories. For example, in the Cards tab, you can see the card in the Agenda book was split into two categories. 13 people put in the Office books and papers, only one in stationery. Categories show you the same result from a category perspective. The categorization confidence score is assigned based on where the participant had moved a card from one category to another. Similarity matrix will tell you how strongly a pair of cards are considered similar when grouped together. The darker the color, with all the cards intersecting, the higher the similarity in perspective. You can also find information about your participant in the Participants tab, with information like status and time of completion. In questionnaire, responses for the screener survey questions are presented. A summary of information on the providers is in the Overview section. The result can be exported by clicking on More Options in the top right corner of the screen. So why wait? Go ahead and create your first card sort test on UXArmy.